Funeral home business insurance is a real thing. I'm Nathan. I've been in the funeral profession for almost 13 years. I'm a musician, getting the stuff, and I'm just going to tell you right now, funeral home business insurance. Funeral home insurance is specifically more of what's pre-planning. Pre-planning, getting on paper your wishes, meaning I want to be buried. I want my casket to be what's called the classic gold. I want to be in a Navy suit. I want to have a Navy tie and a white shirt. Those are my personal wishes. I want the box that I create, which is within pre-planning, so whenever I die, my family open this box and they're like, this is what Nathan wants. Now this is where the insurance comes into play. There are a number of providers of funeral insurance, not life insurance. Life insurance should be for your family. Life insurance should be the proceeds that I would give like my 4 sons, right? I don't want them to have to use the life insurance to pay for my funeral. A lot of people think that way, so they get burial, death benefit policy. Essentially what it does is it's strictly for your death only. That's it. And it can be assigned or purchased through a funeral home establishment. For instance, there's a company called Physicians Mutual or NGL or Funeral Directors Life. And what they do is they say, okay, your casket that you want, Nathan, your services that you want, Nathan, everything from ABC Funeral is this much money today. I can guarantee that I pay no more for my funeral services and to merchandise, your casket, your urn, your vault, things like that that are controllable costs for and from the funeral home establishment. It does not cover the locking in of your third party or cash advance items like flowers if the funeral home doesn't own the florist, or a cemetery space if the funeral home doesn't own the cemetery. It's a funeral insurance policy or funeral insurance product, if you will. It's a 30,000 foot view. If you want to learn more about things like that and more, be sure to follow, because we're talking all things music and funeral service. It's a beautiful service. It's a great profession, and I'm honored to have been a part of serving alongside so many incredible people.